Ultimate Guide for Beginners on Social Media Advertising in 2024. Step 1. Define your goals. Identify your target audience and what you want to achieve with your social media advertising campaign, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Step 2. Choose your platforms. Decide which social media platforms to use for your advertising campaign, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Consider the demographics and interests of your target audience to determine which platforms are most effective. Step 3. Set your budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your social media advertising campaign. Consider setting a daily or lifetime budget to ensure you don't overspend. Step 4. Create engaging ad creative. Develop high-quality ad creative that grabs attention and resonates with your target audience. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling copy, and a clear call to action to drive conversions. Step 5. Optimize your ad targeting. Use targeting options to reach your desired audience, such as demographics, interests, behaviors, or lookalike audiences. Refine your targeting by excluding audiences that aren't relevant to your campaign. Step 6. Choose your ad objective. Determine the primary objective of your ad campaign, like awareness, consideration, or conversion. This will help you optimize your ad targeting and bidding strategy. Step 7. Set up your ad bidding strategy. Choose an ad bidding strategy that aligns with your campaign objective, such as cost per click, cost per 1,000 impressions, or cost per action. Consider using automated bidding to optimize your ad spend. Step 8. Monitor your ad performance. Track your ad performance regularly using analytics tools like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Analytics. Monitor metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Step 9. Optimize your ad creative. Use data from your ad analytics to refine your ad creative and improve performance. Experiment with different ad creative elements such as images, videos, and copy to find what works best. Step 10. Use lookalike audiences. Use lookalike audiences to target new users who resemble your existing customers or website visitors. This can help expand your reach and increase conversions. Step 11. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage users to create and share content featuring your brand or product. Use user-generated content in your ad campaigns to increase engagement and credibility. Step 12. Run retargeting ads. Target users who have visited your website but haven't converted yet. Use retargeting ads to re-engage users and encourage them to complete a desired action. Step 13. Utilize social media listening. Monitor social media conversations about your brand, competitors, or industry-related topics. Use social media listening tools to identify trends, sentiment, and areas for improvement. Step 14. Run seasonal and timely ads. Create ad campaigns that tie into seasonal events, holidays, or timely promotions. Use these campaigns to drive conversions and increase brand awareness. Step 15. Measure and report on ad performance. Regularly report on ad performance to stakeholders and team members. Use data insights to inform future marketing decisions and optimize campaigns for better results. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful social media advertising campaign that drives results for your business.